HP Latex R Printer Series, latest developments for Spring 2020. Welcome, are you ready to learn all about the latest updates to the HP Latex R Printer Series technology? When you buy an R Series printer, that means we will continue enhancing the product that you have. Since the introduction of the printer, we have been developing innovative improvements to make your experience with our printers the best possible. So let us present what is new this spring 2020 to help you to produce even faster and grow your business with high-value applications. And to get the best out of it, we released many new documents for you to take every advantage of the R Series printer you own. The firmware upgrade process has been reduced. Now, the process only takes 30 minutes and it is performed directly on the internal print server. There is also a major enhancement in the internal print server regarding job preparation issues. The multi-job option allows you to drag and drop all the jobs together, instead of one by one. Now you can use the new duplicate jobs feature. This process can be completed in just 2 seconds. Multiple queue improvements let you prepare the queues of different materials, drag jobs into queues, and start queues printing non-stop, one after the other. There is also the implementation of a numeric keypad. The distance between boards is reduced in hot loading mode and is going to be different in each print mode. This will have a very positive impact in your production. Now your jobs will be done in much less time. Current options available on 3-layer and 5-layer cover most common applications, providing the perfect combination of opacity and image quality. But we understood from our users that there was still an opportunity to improve by creating a faster 3-layer mode with less white ink, which is perfect for mirror dual-sided or day and night applications. The banding on generic 8-pass aluminum composite panels print mode is now improved. Printing at 12 passes in most colors is no longer necessary. Here you can see the process of the productivity improvements achieved for the MR4 firmware compared with the MR3 firmware. The MR4 firmware upgrade process is significantly faster. Save time during the job preparation process with new functionalities such as duplicate job, multi-job selection, and other settings. MR4 manages double the queues at the same time. The distance between boards is reduced up to 80%, and faster print modes with the same HP Latex advantages. Let's focus on the new and improved applications. The HP Latex R Series printer is the perfect printer to grow your business with high-value applications such as interior decoration or corporate signage. Top image quality and the highest color gamut gives you the advantage you need to create amazing prints on aluminum, acrylic or wood, for example, while preserving the material's own appearance. Thanks to the versatility of HP Latex water-based inks, you can print and cut, bend, or laminate without any issues. And remember, all your odorless prints are certified to be used indoors with no limitations. We have good news regarding aluminum composite panels. We have started working with ACP manufacturers, and together help develop new boards that have amazing performance and resistance and make the manipulation and maintenance of these prints much easier and safer. Find the latest news of the brands with new improved coding on the HP Media Locator or contact your sales reps. For cleaning, we recommend applying generic soaps in low concentrations, such as those used in many cleaning products, and to clean gently. We have been working with our technical team, and we also have good news about acrylics. We compiled a list of recommended substrates that provide the best performance. You can find it in the Media Locator and on the Acrylic Cookbook. We developed the faster 3-layer mode for certain applications in acrylic, and we have been testing primers that provide enhanced durability on the acrylics that we recommend to you. Refer to the How to Print on Acrylic Boards PMMA Cookbook to get detailed information of a printing process example. New applications can be carried out with the clear purpose of allowing the users to create them easily and with the same machine. Recyclable inks are used, keeping their odorless benefits, broadest gamut, delivering rich blacks, the brightest whites, and great reds, more legibility with the sharpest text, excellent performance of white ink, especially on craft, metallic effects with color logic, flexible materials allow folding without cracking, versatile printing on many different substrates. Create displays, special boxes, and prototypes. No need to turn away micro-run customers. Deliver big signs with great color saturation. Reduce manual jobs. Get the right part in one shot. Get true white ink for impactful backlit signs. Do everything you need using a single ink set. Remember to visit our different channels to keep yourself informed about the latest news from the latex community, such as end-user trainings, how-to procedures, tips and tricks, and more. And that's it. Now you're all prepared to put into practice the new updates of your printer. With all these new features and improvements, you can grow your knowledge and help your business and your clients expand into new markets.